In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add on songs to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if we open up Instagram app and if we start creating a story, I'm just gonna choose that video just to demonstrate you how it usually works. And now if we wanna add some music to our story, normally we need to tap at that stickers icon, then select music sticker, and after that we can select from a huge variety of different tracks. We can search for a music. However, unfortunately, there is no option to add our own songs to that story. That's because the only way to add our own song is just to add it via some video editor program. I prefer to use CapCut. You can easily find it on both iOS and Android devices. Just head over to the App Store or Play Market and then download it to your device. Now I'm going to show you how we can easily add any song to our Instagram story. So guys, we need to open up CapCut first, then just tap right here, Add New Project. Now I'm gonna select the same video and then hit Add. Here we got a video, and first off I'm gonna crop it to fit this frame. To do that, we need to hit Edit and then Transform and Crop. Now we can expand it, we can scale it. Perfect. And then all we have to do in order to add a song here is just down below at this toolbar, hit Audio, then Sounds. Then we need to tap right here at this folder icon, and that's where we can easily find Device. Once we tap at Device, we'll be able to select any audio from our device. Here I got 2 tracks. We can select both of them and then hit Open. What that will do? That will add these tracks to that list down below here. And then we'll be able to add these tracks, any of them or maybe both of them if you would like to do so, to our video that we are creating just by hitting at this plus. As you can see, now I've just added my custom audio to that file that later on I'm gonna use as my Instagram story. Then we can also crop it, we can add another effects here, we can use any tools that CapCut app offers for us. And then to save this video to our camera roll, first off we need to tap right here at that icon and then tap at Save to Device. Now the video is being saved, we just need to wait for a while until it's done. And after a while it is ready to be shared. We can immediately share it to Instagram by tapping right here. After that, just select Story. As you can see, now our own music is playing on the background. And then we can add here some text, some stickers, and then we can just hit Add Your Story to share it on our Instagram profile. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.